Japan's Defense Minister Gen Nakatani is in Turkey today, where he met with Defense Minister Yaşar Güler to discuss expanding cooperation in the defense sector. The Ministry of Defense said the talks on August 19 included the possible procurement of Turkish-made drones for the self-defense forces. Japan is assessing Turkey's well-established expertise in unmanned aerial systems as it considers adopting such platforms to strengthen the self-defense forces' capabilities for modern warfare. Nakatani is scheduled to visit a Turkish naval shipyard on August 20 to review defense industrial facilities and observe production capabilities. The ministry said the visit will provide Japanese officials an opportunity to evaluate Turkey's ability to design and manufacture advanced systems, including drones that have gained recognition internationally. Turkey has become widely known for its drone technology. Its systems, including those supplied to Ukraine, have been used effectively against Russian forces, drawing global attention from NATO members and other nations looking to modernize their militaries. The talks in Ankara reflect a shared interest in strengthening bilateral security ties. The two governments will continue discussions in the coming days to explore specific areas of defense technology cooperation. Turkey's defense industry has developed rapidly in recent years, producing indigenous platforms and exporting combat-proven systems such as the Bayraktar TB2. Defense experts note that Ankara's experience makes it a credible partner for Japan, which is seeking proven solutions to reinforce its defense posture. Japan's interest in drones is also reflected at home. An Israeli-made Heron Mk2 unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, has recently been spotted at Shirahama Airport during a test flight conducted by Kawasaki Heavy Industries. For Tokyo, drones are seen as increasingly vital to meeting regional security challenges. China's growing presence in the East China Sea and North Korea's ongoing missile development have underscored the need for new capabilities in surveillance, strike missions, and operational flexibility.